Instruction number 3. Create a table of 4 rows and 4 columns. Create a table of 4 columns and 10 rows with the width of 10 px and center align it. Table border and cell padding must be 0 and cell spacing is 2 pixels. Okay, now how many concepts we are covering over here? First we need to set insert the table, and then we need to set number of rows and columns, then we set its width, and then we need to align it in the center. Okay, then cell padding and must be 0 and cell spacing is 2 pixel. So let's do this. Be attentive. Now where is insert? So here it is. Maximize it in the body. In the body, beta, in the body you need to click here, and then after that let's go for the table. In the insert tab, I want to insert a table, so just click on insert tab at the top here. Insert, and then go where? Can you see the table is over here? This is the shortcut key to insert the table, Control Alt T. So click here. Then after that, this interface will appear in front of you. How many rows are there? 10 rows are there. Okay, horizontal collection of cells are called rows in a table. So columns are 4. Now here I have to change. For example, if it's selected percentage, you need to convert the table width into pixel by clicking here, and now set the its width is 1000 pixel. Okay, done. Okay, then after border thickness is 0, and then let me consult my document again, and cell padding must be 0 and cell spacing 2. Cell padding, okay, cell padding must be 0 and cell spacing 2. Okay, cell spacing, cell padding 0, cell spacing 2. Okay, let me write border thickness. Border thickness, let me write here, type 1 over here, and now let me click on. Okay, done. Let me check that document again. Okay, G, all is well. Okay, all is well. Okay, now go back. Now just click on OK over here. Done. That's how you can see that in code section you have inserted table tag. In the table tag we have entered the properties here. These are the properties are the characteristic of this table. Width 1000, border is 1, cell spacing is 2, cell padding is whatever is written over there. So just like that, 0. Okay, now but in design section is not appearing. What you see is what you get. This is the editor name. Now I'm going to just click in the design, and it will table will appear here just like that. Okay, table appear now. The same way it should appear at your end as well. So click on file, now save it, and now do what? Now click on design view, so that you will get the design. Look here, we are in a process of designing our website. 4 columns are there, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and 10 rows are there. Horizontal collection of cells are called rows. Rows are what your x-axis in mathematics. In x-axis we use x-axis, but in table we use the horizontal line, that's known as row. Okay, the vertical collection in mathematics we use vertical. For example, y-axis as a vertical, so here is y-axis are known as columns. Okay, now let me click on split. Okay, now what's next? File, let me check. I'll save my work. Yes, save, done. Make sure you're saving your work step by step. Next step is I need to center align. Okay, fine. How to center align? Let me click on design. Let me select this all. Okay, let's find center align. Let me click here, right click, and in the alignment let's say center align. Okay, right click. After selecting all the tables, alignment group, then select the center align. Done. Okay, now do Control S. Okay, now what else? After that, now I have done 3 steps here till here, 3 steps. Now insert the logo of Arena in the first cell from the image folder. Merge rest of the cell in a row. You're getting my point? We are also integrating our computing subject with English as well. If you are not able to understand English, you cannot solve or create a website. You can create, but you to understand these statements, you must know how to read and understand the text, or how to interpret the text. Okay, so let's start. Let's enter the Arena logo of Arena in the first cell from the images folder. From where you need to pick, there is on your desktop, there is an image folder. Now where is logo? This one is logo. Click, hold, and now drag and bring it where? In the Dreamweaver. Slowly, don't release it. Now place it over where? Look here. Now place it in the first cell. This is the first cell, top left corner. Drop it over here, and then you will get this interface. For example, if your image is not in that folder, then you need to type alternate text. Sorry, image location changed. Okay, now click on OK. Now done. Okay, now rest of the cells we need to do what? Merge it. So click here, select the rest of the, click, hold. You know how to do the selection, class 7. So now after the selecting these cells, can you see that they are highlighted over here? It means that I've selected only these 3 cells. Now right click, mouse right click, and then go where? Table. And in the table we are having what? Go ahead on this arrow and then click merge cells. Done. Okay, now do Control S or top left corner, file, save your work. Okay, done till here. You can pause this video. Okay, now next one. In this step we will create a navigation. Navigation is an option from where we will insert hyperlinks to access other pages of this website. Enter this precisely and right align the whole this one. Okay, now let's do a smart work. So how we'll do that? Okay, now go back. Now can you see here there is a border line here between this logo Arena cell, the first cell, and this cell that we have merged it. Bring your mouse pointer over here and it will turn into a plus sign, just like that. Now saying that shift drag to retain the other columns. Wait, so click, hold, and now drag towards the left side like that. Good. Okay, now do Control S, file, save. Okay, now after that go back into the instruction and read it, what we need to do next. Okay, now I have to select do smart work. You can type this, okay, or you can do what? You are having this document, click, select this all, then right click, copy, and then go where? In Dreamweaver, just paste it over here. Click, Control V. Done. Right now it's center align because we set this page property to center align. You check that in the previous step I have done like that. Now I'm going to do what? Select this all, select this whole text, and after that right click on it. After selection, right click on it. Now we are going to align it. Right now is selected center align, so we need to put this to where? On the right side. Done. Okay, now do what? Click on file. Now save your work.